Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is currently November और बहुत ठंड हो चुकी है even though बाहर काफ़ी धूप निकली हुई है but it is getting cold and it's only going to get worse from here. और इस बार न्यूज़ में आ रहा है कि बहुत ठंड होने वाली है which is scary for me. So today, sorry for the noise guys, it's my dog barking and all the other dogs along with him. Okay, so today I have a lot of stuff to do. I wanted to make a cozy winter day vlog और ये एक cozy winter day vlog है जिसमें we are going to do a lot of things and cover a lot of things that I do often to deal with lack of productivity during winters. So today's tasks, I have a lot of tasks to do. First of all, I have to write my Substack. I have to complete my Substack. आज मैं अपना Substack का article complete करने वाली हूँ and I have to post it today क्योंकि it's Friday और मैं हर Friday Saturday को Substack पे post करती हूँ. So इस week का article बहुत interesting है. It's a pop culture reference and I was watching Gilmore Girls और मैं आज इस week I really wanted to write about what I think about the show और मुझे रॉरी के कैरेक्टर को एनालाइज करना था और मुझे कुछ चीज़ें शेयर करनी थी बिकॉज ये शो मैंने 6 साल पहले देखा था व्हेन आई वाज लाइक वेरी यंग 1920 एंड नाउ दैट आई हैव बीन अ लिटिल ओल्डर एंड आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ दैट आई डिड नॉट नो बिफोर तो मैं अपने थॉट्स अलग तरीके से शेयर करना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ इनसाइट्स दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम द शो सो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट essay फॉर टुडे एंड मैंने ऑलमोस्ट ऐसे कंप्लीट कर लिया है मुझे फाइनल टचेस देने हैं उस पर and we are going to work on that and then I have a podcast that I need to edit. Recently did a podcast for the street dogs and how street dogs affect our mental health. मुझे वो edit करना है and I have to teach the kids. I have to do some teaching for the tuition kids that come at home and mostly उन्हें मेरी mom पढ़ाती है but मैं भी 2 घंटे उनकी help करती हूँ. So we will do that in the evening and then there are a lot of other things that I do and I will take you along in this cozy day with me. Hi, Ginger. Hi, Tiger. She has got kids. She's a new mother. Hi, पतली. उसके बच्चे हैं और ये रोज यहाँ खाना खाने आती है. She feels hungry a lot. चल नीचे उतर. चलो चलो चलो. चलो तो मैं भी देती हूँ बाहर. Come on out. Come on, मुझे डांट पड़ेगी. Come on, come on, come on. बाहर वाइटी बैठी है. टाइगर वाइटी ऊपर जाना. जा जा चल जा. ऊपर जाके बैठना है. उधर बैठना है. सो शी हैज़ गॉट ट्यूमर एंड इसका ट्यूमर अभी मैं ठीक करवा रही हूँ. कल इसको वापस इंजेक्शन के लिए लेकर जाना है. शी विल गेट बेटर सून. इट इज़ अ लॉट बेटर नाउ तो. मैंने कल सारा पेडिग्री ख़त्म कर दिया. girl. Hmm. Chillu. Hi guys, so I have just uploaded my article, my essay on Gilmore Girls, and it's going to be a really good one. Like मैंने बहुत कुछ analyze किया है इस essay में. I have like talked about Rory as a character. I have talked about the flaws of the show and also why it is still such a comfort show despite of all the flaws that it has. And I have really explored the character of Rory and how her character development did not really happen, which I feel is a huge thing, कि उसका character development बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ show में, like she just went downhill. If you haven't watched the show, please, okay, I'm not going to give any spoilers. If you haven't watched the show, you can skip this part ahead. So, my essay is all about what I feel about the series and why it is still my favorite series, even though there are so many videos on and so many articles on the internet that critique Rory, that tell कि Rory जितनी हमें aspiring लगती थी उतनी है नहीं, and how people have realized now that it was a very flawed character and everything. But I explored the flaws, but I still wanted to talk about the good things about the show and why it is still a comfort show for me even today. So yes, I really hope you guys like my article, guys. If you want to hear my thoughts, if you want to read, please read my article on Gilmore Girls. And it's not an article actually; it's an essay. And I hope you liked it. I really hope you like the Substack. आई एम वेरी टायर्ड टुडे ऑन द अदर हैंड, क्योंकि मैंने आज 2 घंटे नहीं 4 घंटे बच्चों को पढ़ाया ट्यूशन, बिकॉज़ माय मॉम वाज़ नॉट वेल एंड आई एम एक्सट्रीमली टायर्ड, बट आई डिड गेट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन द आफ्टरनून टू राइट एंड आई कंप्लीटेड माय सबस्टैक एज़ वेल. सो येस, एंड जस्ट नाउ मैं जिंजर को घुमा कर आई हूँ, एंड फाइनली आई सैट एंड सब uploaded the essay. It was a very tiring day, but it was nice and cozy because it's very cold, and I have been trying to eat cozy things and make myself comfortable in this weather, because winter brings a lot of issues for me, like lack of productivity, less energy, and anxiousness. बहुत ज़्यादा anxiety भी कई बार होती है मुझे ठंड की वजह से. But yes, here we are at the end of the day, almost end. Now I am planning to watch Gilmore Girls again because मैंने वापस देखना शुरू किया, and I'm also watching Wizards of Waverly Place का revival, guys. Oh my god, I love it. It's so nostalgic. So I'm also watching that, but मुझे नहीं पता. I think I will probably watch Gilmore Girls before I sleep. I have not even eaten my dinner yet.
At 6 again tomorrow morning. So, where do we start? We need a soap dish for the kitchen. Ah, a kitchen soap dish. Quite decadent, but what the hell? Let's go. Well, that was a very successful outing for us. Yes, it was. We got everything listed and the cook took my room. Cheese or pepperoni? Whatever. Both. Good choice. Hey, shit. Budge. Good boy, good boy.
Just watched Gilmore Girls and I have so many thoughts. I am really glad that I wrote the Substack for it because मेरे जितने भी thoughts थे वो काफ़ी अच्छे से I think sum up हो गए मेरे Substack में. Even though it is a flawed show, I really love it, and it is kind of a show that gives me a lot of comfort, especially during autumn and winter season. So, guys, I was gonna update you on my writing journey about my second book. So, my second book is a poetry book, and मैंने उसमें काफ़ी तरह की poetries लिखी हैं related to mental health, dogs, women, and a lot more. So I am almost on the एंड पार्ट ऑफ इट, लाइक मैं ख़त्म करने वाली हूँ वो बुक की एडिटिंग. आई एम ऑन द एडिटिंग पार्ट ऑफ दैट बुक, एंड वो बस थोड़ी सी ही एडिटिंग रहती है, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी, you know, it's going to be ready to submit. I have decided to publish it on Amazon KDP. एंड मुझे एडिटिंग वगैरह अभी भी थोड़ी सी रहती है, एंड आई एम टेकिंग इट स्लो बिकॉज आई एम सो टायर्ड टुडे, अदरवाइज आई हैड टू डू दैट ऑल्सो. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So that I think 20% editing is still remaining, and I'm gonna complete it soon, and I'm gonna submit it for publication, and hopefully it will come out like early next year. So yeah, that was the vlog, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. It has been very hectic but very cozy for me today, because in winter season it's very hard for me to get out of bed most of the times, and being this productive is very rare for me. Even though I was way more productive today, there are days that I can't get out of bed, and it's really hard. But I'm so glad that I was able to do so much today, and it was a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like these vlogs, and please let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.